Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Shivtosh Kumar, co-founder of SugarFit. Recent research suggests that focusing on lowering weight instead of lifting them can be the key to unlocking muscle growth and strength gains, especially for people with diabetes. But what exactly are eccentric exercises? Eccentric exercise involves lowering the weight while lengthening the muscle. It's during this eccentric phase that muscle damage occurs, which may sound crazy, but it's actually essential for muscle growth and hypertrophy. Now let's look at some of the benefits of eccentric exercises. The best part about this is that you don't need to spend hours in the gym. By incorporating eccentric exercises in your routine, you can maximize your result in a minimal time. Just remember to focus on slow, controlled movement during the eccentric phase and aim for as little effort as possible during the return to the start position. That's it for today, folks. Eccentric exercises offer a powerful yet efficient way to build muscle strength and size, perfect for busy individuals managing diabetes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more diabetes management tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.